Welcome back, dear soul, to another enlightening journey with us. Have you been noticing repetitive numbers like 888 or 1111 lately? If so, it's not just a coincidence. These numbers carry the potent energies of the 88's Lion's Gate portal and the recent blue moon, leading you right into the powerful September new moon, happening on the 2nd and 3rd of September. You're not merely entering a new lunar phase, you're stepping into a transformative period of eclipses. This time is crucial, especially if you're on a manifestation journey. Entering this phase with low vibrations could negatively influence the next 7 to 8 months of your life, something none of us desire. In today's video, I'll guide you through the significance of the September new moon, the eclipse season, and a daily ritual that you can perform leading up to the new moon. This practice will help you elevate your vibration, amplify your intentions, and swiftly attract high vibrational outcomes into your physical reality. But before we dive in, if you're passionate about spirituality, manifestation, and cosmic events, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This upcoming new moon is exceptionally powerful, falling right after the supercharged blue moon and just before a significant lunar eclipse. As we approach September 2nd and 3rd, the already intense energies will peak, making this new moon a pivotal moment. How you prepare and align yourself on this day can shape the trajectory of the next several months. Entering this Virgo new moon with high vibrations is essential for manifesting your desires rapidly. The great scientist Nikola Tesla once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Just as wealth in our physical world is represented by money and abundance, high vibration is the currency of the spiritual realm. Your external reality, the money you earn, the home you live in, and the car you drive, is a reflection of your past high vibrational thoughts and emotions. Expressing gratitude for what you already have creates a powerful vibrational energy that attracts even more blessings into your life. Gratitude, in essence, is a potent currency in the spiritual world. By truly appreciating what you have, you generate a vibrational frequency that draws more abundance your way. When life feels heavy and nothing seems to go right, turning to gratitude can be transformative. Trust that by focusing on what you have, you will attract more. Share in the comments what you are truly grateful for. The better you feel about your current blessings, the more positivity you will attract. It's as simple as that. In a world often dominated by negative programming, it's easy to fall into a cycle of low vibrations. This negative energy can manifest as ongoing financial struggles, conflicts in relationships, or a persistent sense of dissatisfaction with your career. However, the good news is that this cycle can be broken. By recognizing the negative influences around us, like pessimistic news, toxic relationships, or self-limiting beliefs, we can begin to shift our mindset and elevate our vibration. The moon plays a powerful role in this transformation. Just as the moon is associated with feminine energy, our subconscious mind is also a feminine force, working behind the scenes to manifest our desires. The new moon acts as a cosmic catalyst, amplifying your vibrations and accelerating the manifestation of your dreams. Now, imagine harnessing this powerful energy not just to elevate your spiritual journey, but to transform your financial reality as well. If you're ready to attract huge sums of money effortlessly, starting today, there's a hidden wealth secret that could change everything. This secret, revealed by a rogue NASA scientist, has already transformed countless lives. Don't miss out. Check the link in the comments below to discover these shocking wealth secrets for yourself. But for now, let's continue our journey. Consider the moon as a natural satellite, much like the man-made ones that transmit TV signals and provide internet access. During significant cosmic events like the new moon on September 2nd and 3rd, The moon channels powerful cosmic energies to Earth, influencing our manifestations and intentions. Just as the sun, moon, and Earth align during a new moon, our mind, body, and soul can also come into perfect harmony. Achieving this alignment is the essence of yoga and other spiritual practices. Those who regularly engage in these rituals often experience profound mystical and psychic abilities as their entire being comes into alignment with the cosmos. There's a common misconception that new moons bring bad luck or negativity, but this is only partially true. The universe doesn't send negative energy, it provides creative energy, and it's up to us how we use it. If you expect negativity, you're likely to manifest it. Conversely, if you focus on positive outcomes, you'll attract them. During a new moon, we have the opportunity to direct this creative energy towards manifesting our desires. When the sun, moon, and earth align perfectly during a new moon, this cosmic alignment magnifies our subconscious beliefs and behaviors. Your current reality is a mirror reflecting your subconscious mind's programming, much of which was formed during your early years. From birth to around age 7, we absorb the beliefs and behaviors of those around us, shaping our subconscious mind. To manifest the reality you desire, it's crucial to reprogram this subconscious mind. For those new to our channel, it's important to understand the power of the new moon. During this phase, the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun, causing the illuminated side of the moon to face away from Earth, rendering it invisible in the night sky. This cosmic alignment offers a powerful opportunity to manifest your desires, as the universe is intricately interconnected, as demonstrated by quantum physics through the concept of quantum entanglement. In various cultures, the sun and moon represent the dynamic interplay between masculine and feminine energies. The masculine energy, symbolized by the sun, initiates the creative process by projecting ideas and blueprints. The feminine energy, represented by the moon, nurtures these blueprints until they manifest in reality. This interplay is fundamental to all creation. Similarly, your conscious mind is the masculine force, while your subconscious mind embodies the feminine. When these energies align perfectly during the new moon, a powerful cosmic synergy is created, significantly enhancing your ability to manifest. During this time, the intentions you send to the moon can manifest in your physical reality with incredible speed. Just as the moon is associated with feminine qualities like intuition and nurturing, your subconscious mind shares these attributes. When you impress your intentional thoughts onto your subconscious mind with belief and emotion, you are planting the seeds of manifestation. These seeds, nurtured by your subconscious, can grow and manifest as tangible experiences in your life. As Neville Goddard famously said, "Feeling is the secret to manifestation." During the new moon, this feeling is amplified, leading to accelerated manifestation. Your subconscious mind, much like the feminine energy of the moon, acts as a receptive vessel for your intentions, guiding the course of your life. During cosmic events like the new moon, which are infused with feminine energies, these qualities are magnified. Activities associated with the feminine, such as intuition, creativity, and emotional expression, are heightened during this time. You may start to notice repetitive numbers like 1111, 666, or 888, and experience many coincidences. Let me know in the comments which numbers you see the most. To truly harness the power of manifestation, it's essential to maintain a high vibrational state beyond the ritual itself. This involves being mindful of your thoughts, emotions, and actions in your daily life. The connection between the moon's influence on ocean tides and its impact on the water within our bodies serves as a powerful analogy. Just as the moon's phases affect the ebb and flow of tides, they also influence the energy within us, especially during full and new moons. If our internal water resonates at a low vibration due to negative thoughts and emotions, we're likely to manifest similar low vibrational outcomes in our reality. This is why it's important to follow a manifestation ritual leading up to the new moon on September 3rd. You can even extend it until September 5th, as the new moon's energy remains potent for 2 nights after the event. The ritual I'm about to share consists of 3 steps, which can be performed at any time during the day or night until the new moon or the 5th of September. The first step is crucial. Become deeply aware of your thoughts, emotions, and interactions with others. Stop complaining about circumstances or people, release past grievances, and avoid immersing yourself in melancholic music. Cultivating this awareness leading up to the new moon is essential for elevating your vibration and clearing away negative emotions. As the new moon approaches, the surge of feminine energies will heighten your sensitivity and receptivity, making mindfulness crucial in navigating these energies. By focusing on positive outcomes and desired results, you realign your vibrational frequency to a higher state. This intentional shift towards positivity helps dissolve negative emotions, allowing you to embrace a more harmonious, energetic state. The second step involves taking a moment to grab a piece of paper and list 25 to 30 things you are truly grateful for. These could be possessions, relationships, or even basic necessities that bring meaning to your life. As you write, immerse yourself in a deep sense of gratitude. Let your emotions flow, as this heartfelt connection to what you have creates a powerful bridge to the universe. Gratitude is one of the quickest ways to elevate your vibration and draw the life you desire closer to you. You may even find tears of joy welling up as you pen down your list, a testament to the deep resonance of genuine appreciation. When you express gratitude, the universe responds by saying, "I'm pleased you appreciate it. I'll send you even more." The third step is to write down 3 things you aim to manifest in the upcoming months. These could be your goals, intentions, or deepest desires, whatever your heart truly yearns for. As you write them down, do so in the present tense and immerse yourself in the feeling of already having achieved them. Make sure your statements are specific, positive, and anchored in the present moment to establish a strong resonance with the universe. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I am living in abundance and wealth now." After writing down your intentions, hold the paper close to your heart, close your eyes, and visualize yourself living out each of these desires. Feel the emotions as if they are already yours. This visualization process sends a strong signal to the universe, aligning your energy with your desired outcome and speeding up the manifestation process. Now, imagine the moon's powerful energies magnifying your intentions and amplifying them out into the universe. The moon is an incredibly powerful cosmic force that influences tides, seasons, and our very emotions. When we align ourselves with its energy during a new moon, we tap into a natural flow that can help us manifest our desires with greater ease and speed. But remember, the moon can also magnify negative emotions, so it's crucial to maintain a positive mindset during this time. Your life will begin to change once you adopt this practice. When you express gratitude and stay mindful, the universe reciprocates by bringing you more to be grateful for. This ritual is not just a one-time practice. Make it a habit leading up to every new moon to keep your vibration high and your intentions clear. The more consistent you are, the more aligned you will become with the cosmic energies that influence our reality. And if you want to effortlessly attract abundance starting today, check the link in the comments below to discover the shocking wealth secrets revealed by a rogue NASA scientist. This knowledge could change your financial reality forever. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, your energy is your currency. What you focus on expands, so focus on what you truly want and watch it unfold. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might benefit from this information, and let me know in the comments what you're manifesting this new moon. Until next time, stay blessed and keep shining bright.